Do you like this sound? Brother. Yeah. Glad to see you so much. So today we gonna check the part 4 about Bitwig workflow. I love shortcuts. Yeah. So consolidating. Okay. Let's get some sound. Bass house 5, bass loop. Okay. Make some editing. Everybody remember about consolidating. And here you can use the consolidate too. That command, I use the J for the consolidating. And look, it's so easy and it's so fast to and useful using of your editing and arrangement. Do you like it? All changes, including the fades, etc., in the container. So use that. Next, other tip about project file in project file. What I mean, if we gonna look in our right side of the Bitwig, you can find that icon. This is browser, file browser, and here are my projects. So, for example, we can get them that one folder, and here the project. I can take the project and drag and drop into my arrangement. All stuff in that project loading as a group, and inside that group you have all your stuff. Okay. Also, you can get into your project and get some tracks from other project to your project. Simple, great, interesting. What is here? Wow. Here you can see many buttons which you can editing. You can add to fast access. If you see in a corner of button something like that, you can click it and choose what you want. Just look around, learn what is this. Maybe you need something of that to pin your new button. Just click on the pin. If you need to copy something between two tracks, just take it and try to put it between, and of course with the control you can copy that. And here the EQ which I copy. Also you can do the like this, take the Midi and erase that, or you can copy that without any devices, only Midi. Very interesting stuff about Midi clip. Look at that. Now you see notes. That color follows by color the track. But you can change it by the pitch class or other. Check this by yourself. And pitch class is very useful. Very useful feature. Do you see the logic, yeah? E1, E2, F2, F1, color the same. Use it. Next, about clip launcher. Here the clip launcher. And let's imagine that we have a automation line which we're gonna using often. You know, your favorite automation. Maybe can be sidechain. Maybe it's some kind of movement which you like. We like that automation. We can select this and put it here. Okay. It's some kind of template, you know? Template track. So imagine that we need a filter cutoff. That cutoff has a movement and we need that movement. You see automation and we click and hold it and just drag it where we need it. It works great. So use your clip launcher as a bay for your automation lines. Now we talk about saving presets of instrument tracks and audio tracks. Look what I mean. For example, you have some sound. That one, this is instrument track, as you see. So we have a name of track. You can choose your, of course, own name. Click right button and save clip to library. Of course, you can change, you can use your tags and all information. And now I go to the clips, and here bass VOB LFO. You can hear it. That can be not Bitwig plugins. That can be anything what you want, and you will hear it. Same logic with the audio clips. Unbounce that bass, make some kind of movement. For example, use auto fades with shortcut Control F just for reminding. Okay, and I'm consolidate that one in one container and do the same what I do with the instrument track. Save clip to library. Hoogland. Here the Hoogland. Here the Hoogland. And here the bass, which I saved before with all plugins. Small trick to saving your CPU resources of your computer. That deactivating of anything, not deleting, just deactivating. Now we had everything great with the CPU, but imagine that we want many thus. Oh my gosh! And many serums. For example, we have great sound. Yeah. For now, we like that. And we just bounce it. We can use it and so on. For example, we need to change the note or change the sound design. but resources of your computer is empty, you can do changes, change a note, bounce of changes, and just use the deactivating tool. I'm already tell you about that. Toggle activate. I choose the 0 and I just click in the 0 on the track and it hides, it disappear. You can show or hide it by that one icon. And that means your track completely unload from engine of Bitwig engine. And that's why, as you see, CPU. Oh my gosh! With activated track. With deactivated track. And you can at any time back to your source sound, and you don't need to open other project with your sources. You can have all sound design in your project, deactivate them for saving your resources. Approved. Friends, please use your browser with Finder. For example, in right corner, in right of Bitwig, when I choosing any or all sample location, I can choose bass, and it's so fast, really fast. Stop it. It's really fast browser. Same philosophy in device browser, same philosophy everywhere. Of course, so fast, Use all potential of Bitwig. Don't forget about settings, like automatically create fades, choose the right length of fade, solo, exclusive solo. It's mean philosophy like in Ableton Live. No chase. I can hear the what's synthesizer playing from that place, not only from the start. So yeah, I just want to tell you, check all preferences. Also about clip launcher, that we can save here something interesting. Maybe this synthesizer, maybe this bounce of synthesizer. Put your in clip launcher because it's like a notepad, Notepad, great notepad. What I have that one. Great. Get from your samples and think you maybe need it, but later just put it here. Just put it here. And it save your time. So, friends, thank you a lot that you with me here. Thank you for your supporting and see you soon.